So this is the Pretty Hen. She's a phenomenal breeder. Now, the Pretty Hen was bred from Fred Kutzer's Fattel Kittelkok to my number one Blowball hen, the racing machine. Now this hen has 100% strike rate. She's the dam to Jet Shoes, and Jet Shoes' sire is the full brother to Volkertrapper. She clicks with the fighter cock, best mating. She's dam to Rayburn, Stingray, Alice Band hen, the Winburg hen. She bred me a fantastic son with Best Kittel 606, which immediately bred me a brilliant racer. And she also bred a great pigeon with my double Daniel Bullcat Kittelkok. She's just absolute fabulous breeder. And lastly, I mated her to a Kittelkok, and their daughter bred a double winner for Bertus Nell. Now, this is just wherever the Pretty Hen goes, there's action, and her children all reproduce. A fantastic bird. Don't miss out on a super daughter tonight on Top Pigeon Online. There's a daughter out of her with the fighter cock. What a super pigeon. Now this is the fighter cock, and he clicks with the Pretty Hen, and there's a daughter out of him on Top Pigeon Online, closing tonight. Now the fighter cock transfers his great winning spirit to his children, and virtually every one of them does work. He's got that winning genes in him, and he seems to transfer it to all his children. So there's a super hen on Top Pigeon tonight from this top click pair, the fighter cock and the Pretty Hen. What a great combination. Don't miss out on it.